change your food and you change your mood. Maybe right now you have a life that on paper it is amazing. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you put it on paper and it's still not amazing to you. One of the biggest factors that determines how you're seeing your worldview, a big factor, has to do with what you're putting in your body. And I know it's so simple, you probably heard this before that, and you probably already know deep down that what you put in your body determines how you feel, and how you feel determines how you see. I'm going to say that again. What you put in your body determines how you feel, and how you feel determines how you see. That if you were eating certain foods and you were eating certain fluids, and I don't know right now why my amazing dog over there looks so scared. What's up? Why are you so scared? That it will have a big factor on how you are seeing your world right now. Because keep in mind this, right? 90%, so serotonin is the happy hormone. 90% of the serotonin that is in your body is produced by the gut. I like to think of the gut as a second brain. That if your gut is fucked up, then your emotions will be fucked up. If your gut is fucked up, then your mind will be fucked up based on the thoughts that you were thinking. That a lot of the time, the thoughts that you were thinking and the emotions that you were feeling are not you. It is a byproduct of what is happening within your gut. It is a byproduct of the foods and fluids that you're putting in there. Because when you are poisoning your gut, you are creating poisonous thoughts and poisonous emotions. Really let that land. If you are putting poison into your guts, you are creating poisonous thoughts and poisonous emotions as a result of what you're putting in your body. And I'm experiencing this right now because right now I'm at my mom's house and I'm seeing my two amazing dogs. And I'm just chilling here and I love every single one of them to death. And my family doesn't have the healthiest habits, which is all good. Still love them. And it does have an effect on me. That when I'm here, I tend to fall back into old patterns of just eating crappy foods, right? And I've noticed that my energy and the vibration that I'm normally feeling like I'm at isn't as high. Purely just because of what I'm putting in my body. My productivity isn't as high. It's super low right now. And I feel it's because of what I'm putting in my body. And I just can't wait to be back in Bali in 2 days' time and just to vibe high on the food that allows me to do that. So just keep in mind that if you're feeling low right now, that if you change your food instantly, you will change your mood. Let that be a reminder that if you just put, and don't think, because normally what happens is people normally think about cutting everything out. From my own experience, that when I focus on putting things in, naturally, I don't want certain things. Like right now, if you're drinking Coca-Cola and coffee and chips and all these different things, instead of thinking about taking it all out, just do 3 times a day, just say, you know what, I'm going to have a smoothie, a green smoothie, or I'm going to have a green juice. 3 times a day. And watch what happens. You'll be feeling so amazing that naturally you'll say to yourself, I don't even want this Coke. I don't even want these types of food. I don't even want that chocolate. Purely because of how amazing that you're feeling. So a reminder, you change your food, you change your mood. So I love every single one of you guys. Leave a comment, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and until I see you all in the next video, remember to love all living beings, and most importantly, love thyself.